All right, we'll pop Century box number 8. First letter, first name. What's 5 left in the case after this one? Have not seen the pearl. See if we can find it right here. Good luck, everybody. Over under 2 names I know in here. Oh, Julie Van Loo. Sharpshooter. Then we hit, I feel we've hit tons of Julie Van Loo stuff too. That might be sweet. All right, so 1-1 pre-production proof Tracy the Doc Curry. 0 for 1. Corey G. What are we doing here? Come on, Leaf. Yeah, Linda Blair. 0 for 2. Scream Team Scope. So the L spots. Peter. Don't know either of them. Alright, it's in autos. Wanya Morris. 0 for 3. The W spot, Big Clay. 1 of 15. Hey, little Nikki Smigs. 0 for 4. The N spot, Peter. 4-4. That looks like a Jersey Shore dude. Yeah, Cody Rigsby. 0 for 5. The C spot saving. It's 15 to 15. And see, got a duel. Ooh, that's sick. I don't think I know either of them. Jeffrey Dean Morgan and John Bernthal. Double feature super prismatic gold. That's the best selling parallel. Right here, 101 dual auto. All right, it's both for the J spot. Jose. Sick. Oh, that's no, Walking Dead dudes. Yeah, I think that's Walking Dead guys. Ah, it's sick. Yeah, it's probably a pretty monster card. It's probably a monster card if I had to guess. Walking Dead Harsog 2. Count that as 2 out of 7. On the hook. Was it 1.5 or 2.5? Yeah, that's sick. Made the right pick. All right, sweet. Hey, good box. Guys, we'll pop Century box number 8. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.